Hello, I'm Michael Gagne from the Robin Hood Meeting House in Georgetown, Maine. I'm the executive chef there, and I'm also president of Gagne Foods, which is a frozen food manufacturing facility which produces high quality, freezer to oven bakery products. Today on our special pâte brisée, we're going to make brie and chocolate. Our first step is to cut 2.5 ounces roughly pieces of brie in a triangle, alternate them, place them on the pastry. Depending on how much chocolate you want, I think we'll go a double layer here. Produce a nice oblong. Fold the puff pastry over the oblong, pressing down on the wet edges. If it's a warm day like it is right now, you might want to make sure you have a well-floured cutting board. Flour your fork if necessary. And you'll notice the technique of pulling the fork and then rocking it down. That's because I don't want to pierce the pastry close to where the cheese is, because brie cheese has a very low melting point. Trim it to make it look cutesy-utsy. Maybe 45 the edges. Remove it and place it onto a sheet of parchment paper on a pan and put it into a 400-degree oven. Ooh, it looks like the brie and chocolate is ready. Let's see how we did with timing the melting of the brie. Brie with melted chocolate, beautiful. And it came out perfect. The brie is still intact and not all buttery. And the chocolate is warm and gooey melted. This is how you make brie and chocolate in puff pastry.